Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Here are some summer hobby ideas for girls. Gardening, plant flowers, herbs or vegetables in your backyard or balcony garden. Photography, capture the beauty of summer landscapes, flowers, and sunsets. Painting, express your creativity with acrylics, watercolors, or oils. Cooking, baking, try new recipes for refreshing summer treats like fruit salads, smoothies, or ice cream. Swimming, cool off and stay active by swimming in pools, lakes, or the ocean. Hiking, explore nature trails and enjoy the scenic views. Yoga, practice outdoor yoga for relaxation and fitness. Reading, dive into a good book or start a summer reading challenge. DIY crafts, create handmade jewelry, decor items, or gifts. Birdwatching, observe and identify local bird species in parks or nature reserves. Camping, plan a camping trip with friends or family for outdoor adventures. Sketching, drawing, capture summer scenes and memories through art. Journaling, document your summer experiences, thoughts, and goals. Fitness challenges, set fitness goals and try outdoor workouts like cycling, jogging, or hiking. Learning a new language, use online resources to learn a new language or improve language skills. Fishing, enjoy fishing trips with family or friends for relaxation and outdoor fun. Picnicking, plan picnics in parks or beaches with delicious snacks and games. Pottery, ceramics, take pottery classes or try hand-building clay projects at home. Horseback riding, experience horseback riding lessons or trail rides. Photography expeditions, organize photography expeditions to capture scenic spots or wildlife. These hobbies offer a mix of creativity, relaxation, adventure, and learning, making your summer enjoyable and fulfilling.